850 feet and San Francisco's Transamerica Pyramid. 970 feet and the Yokohama Landmark Tower, Japan's tallest building. 1,062 feet and Paris's stunning Eiffel Tower. The Bank of China Tower in Hong Kong. 1,250 feet and the Empire State Building in New York. And now we're here, 103 stories up. Welcome to the top.
Hello, welcome to my Chicago vlog. I was in Chicago lately and I visited the Skydeck. This is the building where the Skydeck is located, and the surrounding is amazing, full of skyscrapers, a beautiful city. The Skydeck is the highest observation deck in the United States. It's located at the 103rd floor of the iconic Willis Tower. It all starts in the lower level for you to experience an interactive museum that celebrates Chicago's unique personality, history, and the neighborhood of Chicago. First, in lower level, there's a security where you have to make sure you have no weapon or no sharp objects. Then you walk into the museum. Lovely stuff to discover about Chicago that I never knew, that I never thought, or I never researched. I learned a lot about the city, the food, the personalities that grew up in Chicago, and the good things and the building, and just a lot of things I learned in this museum. It was so much fun, and I invite everyone to come and pay a visit to this tower. So I'm gonna stop talking and let you just watch the movie. It's very beautiful images, light. It's lovely. This was my favorite place in the museum. I love these lovely colors. Like, it's really interactive. You feel like you are on the train, the moving pictures and moving streets. This is lovely. Thumb up to whoever created this museum under the Skydeck. It was an amazing experience. I loved every step of it. Guys, please come visit this place. Please come. At first I thought this was all about the visit, the basement, the museum. I just got lost into it that I forgot I was heading somewhere. I just got lost in all the pictures, the lovely architecture, and I just got lost in it. I forgot where I was heading to, the Skydeck. Until I got to the elevator, I'm like, oh yeah, I have to go up to the Skydeck. It was just a museum. Oh, look at Chicago legend. Our President Obama, the basketballer, Piso is so Oprah. Great shows and great things I learned and discovered by Chicago. I need like a week in the city to like really enjoy everything because there's a lot of things to do here. And here we are heading to the sky deck on the elevator from the basement right up to the top. That elevator was so fast. And it's a good experience, guys. Do it.